The Mazda CX-5 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. When the range of your key fob decreases or it becomes intermittent, it's time for a replacement. To begin, locate the small seam on the side of the key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a key to gently pry the case open, being careful not to break the plastic clips. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, snap the case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons and confirming the vehicle responds. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it. This can often be done by cycling the ignition or following your owner's manual. Always use the correct CR2032 battery and avoid rechargeable batteries, as they may cause compatibility problems. Be cautious when opening the fob to prevent damage to the internal components or the case itself. Newer CX-5 fobs from 2023 onward are more durable and moisture-resistant, but proper reassembly is crucial to maintain this protection. If you live in a humid climate, check the battery more frequently for corrosion.